Hi, my name is Seenam Lula. I am a peak performance strategist at OKR Edge. We coach organizations in implementation of OKRs. So as an organization, you've written your OKRs. Now what? The truth is that writing organization OKRs are only the start, not the finish. The next step is to cascade them to teams. Well-written objectives will intuitively inform teams on how to author their OKRs. When the teams are writing their OKRs, a crucial aspect to look for is cross-alignment. So say for example, the sales team of a SaaS company has the objective to enter international markets. The corresponding key result is 150 potential customers engaged through a demo video. Now it's important to look for a corresponding key result in product and marketing teams too. If a good video is not produced, how would sales potentially achieve their key result? Once we've checked all of the team key results for cross alignment, the leadership then reviews all key results for integrity and alignment with the upline objectives. This is where the real work begins. A typical OKR cycle is 90 days, but depending on what stage organization you are, you can decide your own cycle duration. There is really no right or wrong answer there. Once you have figured that out, the secret sauce to the successful implementation for you will be, number one, digital OKRs. Spreadsheets are great for early stage startups, but beyond that, you are going to need a platform to measure the progress of each team's key results week on week, and also to be able to visualize on one dashboard all of the team's progress. Second, a robust workflow management platform. Key results should be easily traceable back to data, ideally real time. Similarly, they should also be linked to the tasks performed by teams to be able to see the needle move week on week. Third is the weekly cadence of accountability. OKRs should be top of the agenda for every meeting. Leadership and business owners should be looking out each week for performance metrics. Teams should be having commit meetings each week, discussing blockers and escalating them quickly. So once you go through this cycle, you would also realize that an OKR coach is actually very useful in adoption of this rigor and effectively implementing OKRs. The principle versus practice can actually be quite different. Once the teams get to the end of the cycle, which is about week 9 or 11, organizations perform an OKR retrospective. Organizations and teams measure their KRs, reset their OKRs for the next cycle, and document insights. Most importantly, as you go through this process, do not forget to celebrate or give shout outs. The secret to change is to use all the force of energy to not focus on the old, but to build on the new.